Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. The police were kept busy responding to several motor vehicle crashes which claimed 5 lives across 3 parishes this morning. We have the tragic roundup, but first, a terrible 2-vehicle collision which left a Honda motor car cut in halves and its 2 occupants dead on the spot. TVJ's Krista Campbell has the details.
Like bits of paper lying on the ground, the wreckage of what was once a Honda motor car scattered across the Spring Hill bypass in the Duncans area of Trelawney. The vehicle cut in 2, half of it crushed almost beyond recognition. It's a trying task for the Accident Reconstruction Unit to try to figure out how the crash happened. Police confirmed that 2 vehicles collided about 11 o'clock Saturday morning. None of the passengers traveling in the car survived. Head of the police's Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Senior Superintendent Calvin Allen, gave details.
The Honda, I understand, seemed to have been traveling at an excessive rate of speed, lost control, hit the curb wall, and overturned. During that process, it collided into the rear section of a Toyota Coaster. Sadly, the driver and the female passenger in the motor car did not survive their injuries.
The once happy couple, Rashid Bromley and 20-year-old Bianca Findlay. At the scene, a firefighter comforts Miss Finley's grieving mother.
Why we, Lord? Oh, God. She's a fun-loving person, girl. She dramatic, she creative, she can sing. Everything. She's everything. She's really everything.
4 tourists from the bus were reportedly rushed to hospital. Their injuries were not serious. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.